Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll walk you through setting up the newsletter pop-up widget, a powerful tool that helps you grow your email list, reward new subscribers, and boost engagement in your store. All right, let's get started. Accessing the widget. To access the newsletter pop-up widget, open your customized Debutify theme. Click on Debutify Widgets. Select the newsletter pop-up. To enable or disable it, go to Theme Settings, Professional Widget. Once enabled, go back to Debutify Widgets, Newsletter Pop-up. Here you can customize all settings. Enabling. When enabled, the sidebar button will be visible on your store. If disabled, it will be hidden. Position. Here you can choose where the newsletter pop-up sidebar button appears on your store. You have two placement options. Left. The sidebar button will appear on the left-hand side of your screen. Right. The sidebar button will appear on the right-hand side of your screen. Vertical position. You can also adjust the vertical position of the button to move it up or down on the screen. Simply enter a percentage value. For example, 50%, to center it vertically. Icon. Choose an icon to display alongside your inventory sidebar button. Example, arrow drop up. Heading. Customize the heading text shown on the button. Example, get amount discount off. Width. Choose the size of your pop-up based on your store's design preference. Available width options. Small. Compact layout, ideal for minimal designs or mobile-first experiences. Medium, balanced layout suitable for most stores. Large, spacious layout for displaying more text or larger visuals. Overlay image. Select an image to display as the overlay background. This image will appear above the main content layer, adding visual depth or style to your section. Image. Upload an image to display within the pop-up modal. This can help reinforce your brand, showcase a product, or highlight a promotional offer. Full image. Enable this option to display a single, full background image for the newsletter pop-up. When turned on, it hides the three individual image settings: overlay image, use image as modal background, and image position. Disable it to reveal these options again for more customized image control. Full image width. Adjust how prominently the image is displayed within the pop-up. Choose between the following options. Small. Displays a compact version of the full width image. Medium. Displays a larger, more prominent version of the image. Use image as modal background. Enable this option to set your selected image as the background of the newsletter pop-up, giving it a more engaging and visually appealing look. Image position. Choose how the background image is aligned within the pop-up. This setting controls which part of the image remains visible if it's cropped or resized. Top left. Aligns the image to the top left corner of the pop-up. Top center. Centers the image horizontally along the top edge. Top right. Positions the image at the top right corner. Middle left. Aligns the image vertically centered on the left side. Middle center. Perfectly centers the image both vertically and horizontally. Middle right. Aligns the image vertically centered on the right side. Bottom left. Positions the image at the bottom left corner. Bottom center. Centers the image horizontally along the bottom edge. Bottom right. Positions the image at the bottom right corner of the pop-up. Button icon. Choose an icon to display on the pop-up button. Example, mail. Heading. Customize the title shown on the newsletter pop-up modal. Example, subscribe to our newsletter. Subheading. Supporting message displayed below the subheading. Example, get amount discount off your first purchase by subscribing to our newsletter. Close button. Text. Text displayed on the pop-up's close button. Example, no thanks, I don't like discounts. Show close icon on mobile. Toggle to show or hide the close icon on mobile devices for a cleaner mobile experience. Heading. Text displayed as the main title of the modal. Example. Thank you. Subheading. Supporting message shown below the subheading. Example. Copy the discount code below and paste it at checkout to get your discount. Button text. Label for the action button inside the modal. Example. Apply discount code. Activate modal on primary. Choose when the newsletter pop-up should appear on your store. On page load, show the pop-up immediately when the page loads. After X seconds. Display the pop-up after a specific delay. On leaving store, trigger the pop-up when a visitor is about to leave the page. Scroll depth to X percentage of page. Show the pop-up when a visitor scrolls down a certain percentage of the page. Activate modal on secondary. Sometimes we need couple of times, so we added extra option for that. If we don't need, select none, and other option is none. Do not show the pop-up. On page load, show the pop-up immediately when the page loads. After X seconds, display the pop-up after a specific delay. On leaving store, trigger the pop-up when a visitor is about to leave the page. Scroll depth to X percentage of page. Show the pop-up when a visitor scrolls down a certain percentage of the page. Time. Select the delay in seconds before showing the newsletter pop-up. Example. Pop-up will display after 5 seconds. Scroll depth. Select how far as a percentage a visitor must scroll before showing the pop-up. Example. Pop-up will display after 15% of the page has been scrolled. Discount coupon code. You can also add a discount coupon code to reward new subscribers. Example. Debutify discount. Discount type. Here you can choose how the discount will be applied when a customer subscribes to your newsletter. You have 2 options. Percentage. This applies a percentage-based discount to the customer's order total. Fixed amount. This applies a specific dollar or currency amount off the purchase. Discount value. Enter your discount value in the box below. Example, 40%. Customer tag. Add a customer tag. This tag will be added to subscribers and can be used to trigger email automation. Example, newsletter. Color schemes. Match the widget to your store's theme with light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, custom. Create your own palette for full control. And that's it. Your newsletter pop-up widget is now all set up. By customizing it, you'll capture more leads, reward your customers, and keep them engaged with your store. If you need any help, feel free to contact our Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with Debutify Theme.